Check out this 2010 BMW 335d. Don't miss this great deal on a luxury vehicle. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are preliminary standard equipment, 3-channel FM diversity antenna, 3-spoke leather-wrapped tilt telescopic multi-function steering wheel included, audio controls, 4-wheel anti-lock braking system, ABS, with dynamic brake control, DBC, 4-wheel ventilated anti-lock disc brakes with dynamic brake control, DBC, 4-wheel ventilated power disc brakes, 5-link rear suspension with coil springs, 5-link rear suspension with cast aluminum upper transverse arms and adaptive brake lights. Don't let this vehicle get away. Call or click to schedule a test drive today.